Hey, good morning, friends. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Bree. Good morning, safety traders. Hey, guys, Kevin asked me to set up this video real quick on just a quick tutorial on how to set up Tradingview alerts for the HYDRA signals. So I'm just going to jump right in. It's really easy. And you guys can pause and rewatch this video as many times as you need. So here's TradingView. I've got 3 charts open. I got the weekly, the 4-hour, and the 5-minute. You need to set up the alerts for every chart, for every time frame. So we're going to set up a couple here. I'm going to set one up for the weekly, and then I'll do the 5-minute chart. So all you got to do is in TradingView, once you have the indicator, okay, this is the new indicator that Bree will be sending you guys. It's the name of it is 42424, thesafetytradesystem.com. HYDRA signals final. Okay, once you have that installed on your chart, you're going to click on this icon, create alert. Okay, you click on that, and you're going to, and you have to do this for every symbol as well. You're going to select the condition. You're going to check or select the indicator name. Okay, and then you're going to want to make sure that it says any alert function call. This is where the code is going to generate the alert. This alert here in TradingView is going to pick that up and send it to you however you want to get notified. Under expiration, you're going to make sure that you have it set for open-ended alert. If you do not have it set for open-ended alert, your alerts will automatically expire and turn off after 60 or 90 days. So make sure that you click this box, make sure you toggle open-ended alert so that the alerts never expire. The alert name, you can leave it as default. That's what I'm going to do, or you can change it to whatever you want. And then under notifications, this is where you set TradingView, tell TradingView how you want to be notified. Do you want to be notified in the app? Do you have the TradingView app on your phone or on your laptop or whatever? You can get a notification there. You can do a pop-up. You can send an email. You can play a sound. You can send a text. And if you want to do the email, you need to make sure that you have your email set up in your profile, in your TradingView profile. Same thing for your plain text. Make sure that you have your mobile address for receiving SMS messages, have that set up in your profile. Okay, so if you want to get an email and a text, you just check on both, you hit create. Okay, and that's going to create the alert. And if I go over here, you'll see this alerts button. You'll see that I have 42424, the safetytradesystem.com, HYDRA signals, any alert function call. It is active, and it's running on the OANDA XAU USD, which is gold, 4-hour chart. Okay, and that's what I have highlighted here. I think I said the weekly, but I actually did the 4-hour chart. So it's active, it's running, and then you will start to receive notifications from TradingView to your email and to your text messages. We'll do one more just to review. I'm going to click on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to click on alert. And again, I'm going to select the condition. I'm going to select the indicator. Make sure that it says any alert function call. The expiration is open-ended, so it never expires. The alert name I'm going to leave alone. And on the 5-minute chart, I don't want to get emails. I just want to get text. So I'm going to leave that, turn off the email, leave the text message on, hit create. And then you will see the alert pop up over here. Here it is. It is now active. It is the gold 5-minute chart. And that's it. Your alerts are configured and set up. And from that point forward, you will start receiving your alerts to your phones. And again, make sure you do this for every symbol. You do it for every chart time frame that you have open. And that's it. It's that simple. So I hope this helps you guys out. And happy trading. Go Safety Trade System. We'll see you guys later.